Hi guys, and welcome back for my weekly or bi-weekly trading analysis. Today we'll be analyzing the Dow Jones Industrial Average. We see here a monthly chart, which means that every Japanese candle is a weekly one. So in the upper section of the chart, we see a naked price with support, with oblique and horizontal support and resistances. Beneath, in the lower section of the chart, we see my proprietary own indicator, which I've been developing with my father. Actually, my father developed a few years ago. It seems to be a very powerful indicator. It seems that it is able to really predict, okay, the future movement. Let's say here, for example, in October 2003, it started to the indicator became long at around 8,900 points to get out of the position around 13,800 as well here. So February 2010, my indicator was signaling a long position at 10,700 points to go out around 18,000 points, and now again here 19,500 and going out at 26, 27 almost points. So it seems it is really able to predict the future with a quite great accuracy. Okay, so now let's see what is happening now. On the monthly chart, we see that both the curves are oriented downwards. Okay, so the green and the blue one are telling us that most probably the index should be go down, okay, farther. So we are just at the beginning. We see that actually the green curve was kissing the blue one, and now is widening out from the blue one, which is a very bad signal. So what we see here, this long white candle, seems to be just a rebound in order to actually till this area, 25,000 points, 24,800 is the area where I predict a new movement downwards. And also, I would like to tell you something. Let's try to see what the chart is telling us rather than following suggestions from the institutionals. I would like to remind you that and you can obviously have a look on google.com. In October and November 2019, the head, okay, of trading department from Goldman Sachs was telling us that 2020 would have been another good year, okay, and then we know what happened. As well, now Morgan Stanley yesterday came out with an analysis telling us that 2020 should be another good year, and that from now on the market will go up. Actually, I really disagree with that. I'm more confident on my indicators rather than on what they tell us. Okay, so as a trader, you don't want to listen too many, okay, too many, especially you don't want to listen the institutionals, okay, but you should have a look at what the charts are telling you, okay, and of course you have to have the correct instrument to try in some way to predict the future movement, okay, in this case of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So again, they do their job, okay? So that's why we know we have the COT report where we know what the institutions are doing, and actually what they say oftentimes doesn't correspond to the reality. So again, as a trader, you want to trade with your risk-reward ratio 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 5 to 1. It doesn't matter. It's really personal, something personal. And of course, you want to hedge your positions during these moments. Okay. So what I'm doing now, I'm actually overweighted on the short side of the market. So I'm shorting rather than long, rather than being long. Yet I like to have some long in order to cover myself during the moment like this one where the market is correcting up. To me, it's just a correction. I don't see new highs but I really believe we're going down from 24,800 to 25,000 points, okay? And again, here the indicator is quite clear to me. The overall trend, okay, which started actually already in 2019, the indicator was telling us, okay, look, we will be going down, and at least, and it was correct because from the 2019, no wait, 2018, okay, December 2018, when we've experienced that strong correction. Actually, the indicator is down, is moving down. The two curves, the derivatives of the curves are now below the zero, and the indicator here, the red line, is okay, -5. So it means that the indicator is painting a movement downwards. Of course, during the midterm, we might see a rebound, but we are already experiencing a rebound. So if you want to know what it might happen, okay, during 2020, for the remaining months of 2020, we can switch to the weekly chart. But again, here as well, we see that both the curves are oriented downward, and this is a very bad signal. The green one is below the zero, okay, while the blue, which is a little bit more lagging if compared with the red, with the green one, is still above the zero, yet moving downwards. So again, here we see the X support, which is now a resistance. This area 24,800, 25,000, they are now going to work from there, and I believe we are going to see some sort of reverse up in ball from where we might load again a new shorts. So guys, I've decided to create a video course where for the first time I reveal my trading method. It's named Learn How to Trade Financial Markets with Indicators, the techniques unique in the market, on griffin.com. So if you want, you can have a look at my videos there. Thanks a lot, guys.